just so we're all on the same page too, proxy voting is voting where you designate somebody else to vote on your behalf. So you're not at the meeting. And when we think about absentee voting and proxy voting, the reason that Robert's Rules is so resistant to those items is because it envisions a scenario where you come to a meeting, you hear the motion or the topic, you hear the discussion, and then you vote accordingly. And so when you vote absentee or when you vote by proxy, the only way to do that is so there's a way you can write a proxy that you put the actual motion in the proxy and say, like, Richard Hammer, you go to the meeting for me, and on this motion, I want you to vote no. Well, what that doesn't allow is any flexibility if the motion is amended or if new information comes forward. And so it truncates the experience that you have when you go to a meeting and you hear someone say an idea that you hadn't thought about before and you change your vote. So that's why Robert's Rules tends to be resistant to voting outside of a meeting. Now, is proxy voting allowed? The Model Nonprofit Corporation Act allows proxy voting unless your bylaws restrict it. Now, if your bylaws adopt Robert's Rules of Order as the parliamentary authority, then in a way, they indirectly restrict it because Robert's Rules restricts it unless bylaws explicitly allow it. So rather than getting mired in kind of the nitty gritty on that, I think the takeaway for you is to look at your bylaws and know whether they allow proxy voting explicitly or not, and then reconsider whether you actually want that to be the case.